Hello, welcome to this section of website design training. In today's training, our focus is going to be the creation of blog post. We are going to learn how to create posts, how to delete posts, how to add image to a blog post, and as well as how to create blog categories. For every news website you see today are blogs, and for each and every one of them have categories for every post on that page, on that blog. Because category is a way of grouping each and every post that you are making on a daily basis to your blog, so that if you have a news website, you can have a category of entertainment, politics, and sports. So that whenever a user visits your blog, they can actually uh, select politics and view all the posts with respect to politics. And for that being said, we are going to begin by creating uh, post categories. So from the left side of the screen, so scroll to post. From this post menu, we have all posts. This is where you view all the posts, all the blog posts you have made so far on your site. Add new will allow you to add a new post to your website. Categories, so this is where you manage categories. From here you can add category, you can edit category, and you can as well delete category if you don't need it. Then tags, they are like a way of grouping posts together with a relative words that relate those posts together. It can be used as tags. So let's go to all posts and see what we have currently have in our site as a post. By default, WordPress always comes with hello world as a post. So we have one post here, which is hello world. So if you click it, then if you click it, it will take you to hello WordPress, hello world page. This is the page of this. So we can actually view it. Let's right click or let's click here and view the site and view the post. Sorry. Okay, so this is what we are currently having on our uh, on this page, on this post. Hello world, welcome to WordPress. This is your first post. You can edit and you can as well edit or start writing it. So this is the sidebar menu, and we notice that our menu is not showing, but we have a transparent menu background, transparent background. We have transparent menu, a menu that have a transparent background, so which now make our menu not to visible here on this blog page. So for that, we are going to maybe actually add a background to this header. From edit, you can click here. Let's just work on that quickly before we begin with our blog. Just click this header underscore WP. Okay, so all we need to do is to click this section that is having the menu. After clicking the section, we'll go to style, then we'll go to color. It's actually on transparent, so just drag it like this, then we'll hit update. Update again. So mind you that this is going to appear on all the pages. Yeah. Okay. So we can now head back to this page. Let's view the post again. So now we're having this footer, this header. I think it's preferable this way. So we're going to deal with this sidebar later on, but let's focus on what brought us here. Let's go back to the dashboard. Can close this. For now, we are going to create categories. From post, scroll down to categories and click categories. Now, from the categories page, so we can now start creating all the post categories that we want to have on this site. So I'm going to start by the first of my category is digital marketing, so that whichever post I am making with respect to anything digital marketing should be categorized under digital marketing. Like I said earlier, category is a way of grouping all your related posts together. That's under one subject. Okay. Click add category. Category have been added, digital marketing. So we'll add others. The next is graphics design. Add category. Software. Add category. Website. Add category. For now, I'm going to work with these four category. I have website, I have category as a website, software, graphics design, digital marketing. You can as well have subcategories. Maybe in your post, in the post you are making to your website, maybe you are making a post with respect to health, health. I beg your pardon. Maybe on the health niche, your blog it is with respect to health niche, and your post you categorize your post, and you now have waste loss as a category. You can as well have subcategory under it. Maybe uh, sports like playing football, table tennis, jogging, weightlifting. So that whichever post you're making with respect to that, it can be under all those subcategories. Like this website, maybe I can have a subcategory here that I'll call it uh, maybe portfolio. Now come here. Under this parent category, I will have to choose the parent category where I want this to be uh, a subcategory to. If you have this description, you can type description here. Otherwise, you leave it empty. Then add category. As you can see, so whenever you see something like this, now you see dash, shows that this is a subcategory to this, and this serve as a parent category to this one. So I'll show you as an example. I don't need it. There might be a case whereby you have a project, you're working for a client, and the client said, okay, in this page or on this website, I want to have these social blog categories, and I would like to have this as subcategories with respect to this category, right? So this is how you achieve that. And once you are adding your post, you can easily find this. You can easily choose this from post page, from the add post page, right? Okay, so let's proceed. Now we are done adding category. This is how you add category. Now if eventually I don't need any of this category, I can actually come back here again. From here you can see we have edit. To enter the category fully and edit it, quick edit will allow you to, difference between edit and quick edit is, edit will allow you to enter the page, to go to the page of this and edit either this description or the name, or you make it as a subcategory to another category. That is the essence of this edit. Quick edit, this will only allow you to quickly edit this name, to change the name. Delete will allow you to delete it from here, from the list of categories that we have here. View will allow you to go to the page and view this category, right? Okay. Now by default, if you make a post, you make a blog post on your site and you do not categorize under any of these categories that we have here, automatically the system will push it to uncategorized, which is actually non-professional for viewers or clients or users visiting your site and find out that from your post you have some that are uncategorized, so it's non-professional, right? So make sure you always have categories for each of every blog post you are going to make. Yeah. Okay, so from all posts you can go to all posts again. This hello world, I don't need it, so I'm going to trash it. You delete it. A quick one before this, let me show you how you can delete. After delete, if you mistakenly delete a category, then let me see, I don't know if you can bring it back anyway. Graphic design, just delete this graphic design and see what we have. You are about to permanently delete these items from your site. Okay, there are places where you actually delete something and you have a trash folder where that very item deleted will go and reside temporarily. So if you don't need it, you can go there and delete it permanently from your system. But this one is actually asking you to delete it. They don't have a temporary folder to store your deleted files. Once you hit the delete button, it will go away from the system. So we are going to leave it. So this is how to delete anyway. Once you delete, it leaves your site. So now we can head back to all posts. Okay, from here, add new. So I'm going to have a folder called blog resource. So this will be available for you to use as well. You just open the folder. We have all the image that we are going to use for this, for our post here, and we have our blog post prepared already, right? So first of all, we are starting with digital marketing. Like as you can see, I actually categorize them. So this post now is going under a category called digital marketing. So we can click this to take the caption. We'll go back to the site and paste it here. The benefit of using digital marketing strategies for your business, right? Okay, so we can come back here and take the rest of the content. Make sure your content is free from plagiarism. If you go online and you copy text that are not meant for you, that ordinarily you didn't write it yourself, so the owner of that post, of that write-up, can actually come after you once they find out you use their content for your website. From here, category, this is the, as you can see, these are the categories we created earlier. So this is all I mean. Subcategory, you can see we have, I purposely leave it just to show you guys how this will appear here. This is subcategory under website. So if I need it now for this post, I'll just tick it. But for now, I don't need it. If you scroll up, I don't need it. What I need here is website. What am I working on? Digital marketing, sorry. I'll scroll to digital marketing. I just tick digital marketing. All right. So once that is done, you can scroll to feature image to add the the image, the respect or the corresponding image for the post. So I'm going back to that desktop and the blog resource, then choose the image for this digital marketing. Okay, so this is the picture. I'll just choose this. Once it's finished uploading, just set the picture image from here. So as you can see, it has appeared here, right? So we can now publish this page. You can as well use Elementor to make your your blog post. This is actually a default uh, Gutenberg editor for WordPress. But for now, I'm not using Elementor. So let's view the site. Okay, so this is what we're having, and find out that the picture is not showing, but why? Okay, so let's see. Edit post. Okay, so let's see what we can do. All the necessary settings have been done. This checkbox actually show is if you don't want this picture to show on the page, you just tick it and it is not checked. So why is it not showing? So what we're going to do is to come back here. Let's go to customize and see what we can set from there. Okay, from here you scroll to breadcrumb. Let's see. Okay, let's go back. I go to blog, uh, single post. Okay, this is actually showing the design. Okay, so I think the challenge is actually because we are using a free version of this theme, so they prevent our future picture image from showing unless we upgrade to a premium version. See, custom feature image size. Because it says to show here, once you see this icon, this eye icon shows that okay, the picture. If you don't want it to show, you just click here. It will hide it. But already our feature image is hiding, so we can't actually see that. So we just turn it back on. For us to see the effect of this, if we click this, as you can see, this title will go off now. Oh, yeah, title and post meta. It doesn't go off. Okay. So there's something we are going to do. Um, let's publish this first.